Here next point, relationship between solubility and solubility product. The solubility of compound in the amount in gram that dissolve per unit volume, that is in ml or liter, there is the solubility. Then molar solubility, the number of moles of compounds that dissolve to give and 1 liter of standard solution is called is molar conductivity. Okay, number of moles is dissolved in 1 liter of saturated solution. Then molar solubility in moles per liter is equal to solubility in gram per liter divided by molar mass in gram per mole. Example of this molar solubility: solubility equilibrium for AX and AY. So Bx plus Ay is equal to gives to X B raised to plus Y and Y A raised to minus X. So solubility product of above equation Ksp, it is solubility product, is equal to concentration of B raised to plus Y and concentration of A raised to minus X. If S is molar solubility of the compound, the equilibrium concentration of the ions in the saturated solution will be concentration of B raised to Y plus gives XS mole, YS moles and A raised to minus X mole per liter, and these values in above equation. So Ksp is equal to Xs raised to X and Yx raised to Y. So Ksp is equal to X raised to X, Y raised to Y and S X plus Y. Some example of solubility product, molar solubility is, first is the AgBr. AgBr in solid state to gives Ag plus Br minus, both are in aqueous medium. So value of X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 1. So Ksp is equal to 1 square into 1 square gives 1. So Ksp is equal to S into S square. So here Ksp value is, solubility product is S square. So second one example, PbI2. PbI2 gives Pb plus 2 plus I minus. Here value of X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 2 plus 2I. Then Ksp is equal to 1 square into 2 square gives S1 plus 2. So Ksp is equal to the square of 2 is 4. So 4S, addition of these 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. So S cube. Then AlOH thrice. This is third example. Aluminum hydroxide in solid state gives Al plus 3 and OH minus, 3 OH minus. So the value of X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 3. So Ksp is equal to 1 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 3. So S raised to 1 plus 3. So Ksp value is, cube of 3 is 27, square of 1 is 1. So 27 into 1, 27, and S raised to 4. That is addition of 1 plus 3. Then next point, conditions of precipitation. Ionic product, that is IP, of an electrolyte is defined in the same way. The solubility product, the only difference is that the ionic product expressed contains the concentration of ion under any conditions, whereas expression of Ksp contains only equilibrium concentration. So this is the difference between the ionic product and the solubility product. Okay, then if IP is equal to Ksp, the solution is saturated and solubility equilibrium exists. Okay, if both are equal, then solution is saturated and solubility So IP is greater than KSP, then solution is supersaturated because the ionic product is greater, and here precipitation of the compound will occur. When IP is less than KSP, here KSP is greater, so solution is unsaturated and precipitation will not occur. So this is the difference between the IP and KSP and the conditions of precipitations. Then next one, problems. First problem, the solution is prepared by mixing equal volume of 0.1 molar MgCl2 and 0.3 molar Na2C2O4 at 293 Kelvin. Would MgC2O4, that is magnesium oxalate, precipitate out KSP of MgC2O4 at 293 Kelvin is 8.56 into 10 raised to minus 5. So here, when a solution of this problem, here the solution is prepared by mixing equal volume gets doubled, and hence the effective concentration of ion would be half of the initial. So the concentration of Mg plus 2 is half होणार आहे. Here reaction is MgC2O4 gives Mg plus 2 plus C2O4 minus 2. So concentration becomes half, that is concentration already given. The concentration of Mg is 0.1. So 0.1 divided by 2, it becomes 0.05 molar per liter. And the concentration of oxalate ion is 0.3 divided by 2, it becomes 0.15 mole per liter. These ions would react for sparingly soluble salt MgC2O4 in accordance with reaction. So here Mg plus 2 plus C2O4 minus 2 gives MgC2O4. Here Mg and oxalate ions both are in aqueous media. So ionic product in the solution is given by concentration of Mg plus 2, concentration of C2O4 minus 2 in aqueous media is 0.05 into 0.15. This is the concentration of Mg and concentration of oxalate ion. So multiplication of these two, it gives 0.0075, that is 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So KSP value of magnesium oxalate at 293 Kelvin is 8.56 into 10 raised to minus 5. It is already given. As ionic product is greater than KSP, so precipitation will be takes place. Then second problem, the solubility product of AgBr is KSP is given 5.2 into 10 raised to minus 13. Calculate its solubility in moles per dm cube and grams per dm cube. Molar mass of AgBr is given, it will be 187.8 gram per mole. Solution, the solubility equilibrium of AgBr, तो आधी काढायचं आहे. AgBr in solid state gives Ag plus in aqueous media plus Br minus in aqueous media. So value of x and y is, this is plus 1 and minus 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So solubility product is equal to concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Br minus is equal to S square. So Sp is of this reaction is S square. So S is equal to square root KSP. So S is equal to, the value of KSP is already given, it is 5.2 into 10 raised to minus 13. So S is equal to square root काढलेला आहे 7.2 इंटू 10⁻⁷ मोल पर dm cube. The solubility in grams per dm cube is equal to mole per dm cube. We have already calculated. The next one we are calculating in grams per dm cube. So in grams per dm cube is equal to molar solubility in mole dm cube into molar mass in gram per mole. So here the molar solubility, here we have already calculate 7.2 into 10⁻⁷ mole per dm cube into weight which are already given here. Molar mass of AgBr is 187.8 grams per mole. After multiplication the value becomes S is equal to 1.35 into 10⁻⁴ grams per dm cube. And the next point, third problem is 20.0 centimeter cube of 0.050 mole barium nitrate are mixed with 20.0 centimeter cube of 0.020 molar NaF. Will BAF precipitate KSP of BAF2 is, it is already given 1.7 into 10⁻⁶ at 298 Kelvin. Here solution, final or total volume of solution. Here volume it is 20 plus 20 centimeter cube. So here 40 centimeter cube. After addition, the concentration of BaNO3 twice and NaF. So BaNO3 is 0.05 into 20 divided by 40 is equal to 0.025 molar. This is the concentration of barium nitrate. Then concentration of NaF 0.020 into 20 divided by 40. So it becomes 0.010 molar. So we have calculated the concentration of both. Therefore concentration of Ba+2 is 0.025 molar and concentration of F- is 0.010 molar. So hence the ionic product of BaF2 is IP is Ba, concentration of Ba+2 into concentration of F-2. So this is 0.025 into 0.01 square. So IP value is, after calculate, it becomes 2.5 into 10⁻⁶. This is the ionic product. Then KSP of is equal to concentration of BAF is equal to 1.7 into 10⁻⁶. So in this case, here IP is greater than KSP. The value of KSP is less than the IP. So ionic product in this solution is greater than the solubility product. Hence BAF2 will precipitate from the solution.